Morning guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to give you a little quick tip or trick. Now, I believe it was last year at the Fall Georgia Bushcraft gathering that I was gifted a piece of gear, a piece of military surplus. I want to talk about that a second. This is one of those Chinese drum mag pouches. It's for an AK-47 drum mag pouch. And it's just a pretty well padded canvas bag, and the gentleman gave it to me and said that your Boy Scout mess kit will fit in it if you don't have a cover. Well, I like that because I've got some antique Boy Scout mess kits, and one of my covers is really threadbare, and I kind of real gently taking it on and off because of that. And a couple times I've taken it in the last 4 or 5 months, taking it out to do something, I'm always a little bit worried about, I'm going to tear that cover. So this became a more practical field cover for me to carry it with. But it also gives me another option because I'm a big fan of you determine what kind of food you're going to take, then you carry the cook kit necessities to cover that, nothing else. That way you're not toting the whole kit when only you needed the fry pan. And you're not toting the whole kit with all you needed was a little cook pot, etc. So I got to playing around with this. Now, this is the fry pan out of the set, and all I've done is taken the handle and putting it around on the back side. You can see. This is the Boy Scout 1 quart canteen. And I knew this back when I was a kid. That 1 quart canteen fits with that fry pan. That will now go into here. Slide the cap over to one side. You have these 2 cross pieces that come over. They'll come around from the back side and anchor. If old fingers will work this morning. And then the flap comes down over the top like this. Put that toggle in. There. Now that fits in there. What's more, I can open it up and still be able to drink from it. So that's a canteen with a fry pan put in there. I can then use this as my mess kit, and I could carry it as a canteen to have my canteen available. So I think it's pretty cool because I like I said, mix and match. And there's several times I'm going to take something because I want to fry bread, or I want to make bannock or whatever. I want to take the skillet for that, and then add the canteen to the outside of it, and it's still accessible as a canteen. Pull the flap over, pull the flap out of the way, and I got access to it. That's pretty cool. Just wanted to share that with you right quick. So, if you've got an old Boy Scout mess kit and you don't have a cover, one of the Chinese drum, AK-47 drum pouches will do. And you still got an accessory pouch right there to put salt, spices, whatever, or maybe a little thing of cooking oil on the outside of it. Might be a way to set it up to have yourself a cook kit. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.